Hi, I'm Samli. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make traditional cendol that is more vibrant in color, more chewy, and can be stored overnight in the fridge and yet not brittle. Let's get started! Throughout the process of making cendol, I will highlight some important tips. Please stay tuned until the end of this video. In this episode, I will be using mung bean starch as the main ingredient for this experiment. Traditionally, alkaline water solution, also known as lye water, is used to achieve springy cendol and to enhance pandan flavor. For today's recipe, I'm going to replace alkaline water with my homemade soda ash. If you want to have better understanding of soda ash, I have another video on what is soda ash and how you can make it at home. You may refer from that video. Okay, now back to our cendol. I have 3 containers in front here. I'm going to demonstrate it with just mung bean starch with homemade natural soda ash and without soda ash. The ingredient will be 4 tablespoons of mung bean starch, 300 ml of pandan juice. I blend it with 25 grams of pandan leaf each. Stir well. I have a video particularly on extracting pandan juice. You may refer from that video. Second is same amount ingredients that I added 1/4 teaspoon of homemade natural soda ash, 300 ml of pandan juice. Stir well. Third container is a mixture of 3 to 1 ratio of mung bean starch together with tapioca starch. As I noticed, many love to add tapioca starch and I wish to try it. 1/4 teaspoon of homemade natural soda ash, 300 ml of pandan juice. Stir well. Then, I will set aside for at least 60 minutes. The reason why is because we want to allow enough time for our mixture to dissolve properly. While waiting for the 60 minutes, I will prepare my gula melaka syrup to blend with this cendol dessert. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of molasses sugar, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 2 tablespoons of custard sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Himalaya salt. Mix well with 150 ml of water. Once the sugar mixture is completely dissolved and boiled, you may turn off the heat. After 60 minutes, we will then begin cooking our cendol. To save your time to watch all the 3 processes of cooking our cendol mixture, I will present the 3 different ingredients simultaneously. Now, stir our mixture and pour into our saucepan to cook. Put the heat to medium-low and stir constantly. This will allow the whole cendol to be cooked evenly. We shall cook the whole cendol mixture until it has turned thicker, translucent, and more vibrant in color. Please do not skip the following step as I will show you how the changes in texture and color as it begins to cook. Now the mixture has slowly become thicker and translucent and finally done. This is the before and after snapshot. See how vibrant and translucent when our cendol is cooked. Next process is molding process. Stand by your ice water at the bottom as the batter begins to form below. The ice water will help to harden and form the cendol jelly immediately. If you do not have cendol maker, you can use slotted spoon or steamer basket like me, so long it has pinholes to mold cendol droplets. Pour our batter on top while it's still hot. Prepare a scraper or spatula, press and scrape the dough. What we are trying to do is to force the dough through the pinhole so that it forms a droplet below. Bigger hole produce thicker cendol jelly. If you like a thicker texture, choose the one with bigger holes diameter. Now you see? Let the cendol stay in the ice water for at least 10 minutes to allow them to properly form its shapes. After that, drain the cendol with colander and set aside before serving. Take note of the color of the different formula. The one with soda ash is more vibrant and translucent. You may keep the cendol in the refrigerator within a week and submerge with water. But it is best to consume fresh because the texture may be varied when it's kept overnight. Now we come to the part of tasting. This one without soda ash tastes earthy and slight bitter derived from the pandan juice. You may reduce the pandan leaf and add pandan paste that's available online for coloring. Please try to use natural coloring instead of artificial coloring if you wish to have authentic taste of cendol. Let's try the second one. Wow, it is very aromatic and flavorful. It reminds me of childhood flavor. So authentic. Okay, the taste for the third formula is still flavorful from the pandan, come with chewiness, but the texture is softer compared to the first and second formula. In a traditional way, we spoon cendol into a bowl, top with shaved ice, coconut milk, and sugar syrup. Earlier, I have added some salt into the coconut milk. You may also use fresh milk with latte style. Use your own creativity as it is a very versatile ingredient. So delicious. Nice. This is definitely one of the best cendol I have ever made. So, the important points are: first, mung starch is a winner for this recipe compared to my earlier recipe with rice flour. Second, do not skip the homemade soda ash as it helps to make the cendol more flavorful, aromatic and vibrant jade green in color. Third, rest the mixture for at least 60 minutes before cooking. Fourth, for softer texture of cendol, mix mung bean starch with tapioca starch or cornstarch. So, which recipe do you prefer? Is it mung bean starch or rice flour? Or maybe others recipe? Appreciate your comments below. Thank you for watching. I'm Sam Lee. Please check out my other video and subscribe to be notified on my upcoming videos.